Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will have a look at ternary operators. What are ternary operators? It is a conditional operator that takes three operands. So if we look at this expression, there are three operands. So first operand is condition, second operand is if condition true, and third operand is if condition false. It evaluates the condition before assigning value to a variable. So in this expression, this variable is there. The value which will be assigned to this variable depend on this condition. Depending upon the output of this condition, value will be assigned to this variable. If condition comes out to be true, then this if condition true value will be assigned to this variable. If condition comes out to be false, then if condition false value will be assigned to this variable. I hope you're getting how it works. If you are having any doubts, once we start to code, it will be more clear. So let's open the IntelliJ IDEA and there we will see how this ternary operator works. I have opened the IntelliJ IDEA. I will go ahead and create a new class. Class name will be ternary operator. So my class is ready. I will create a main method inside this class. Ternary operators are somewhat similar to if-else condition statement, which we have already seen in our logical operators video. So how if-else condition statement works? Suppose I have a variable age of int type and age is 15 years. So if I want to write a code to check whether the person is minor or adult, I can write something like this. If age is greater than 18, then I can print the person is an adult. Else the person is minor. So in this case, if this condition is evaluated as true, then only if block will execute. If this condition is evaluated as false, then else block will execute. Here, if we look at this piece of code, there is an if statement, there is a condition which needs to be evaluated, and if condition true, then this block will be executed, else if condition is false, then this block will be executed. So if condition is true, then this block will be executed, else if condition is false, then this block will be executed. So this is somewhat similar to ternary operator. So if I want to convert this piece of code using ternary operator expression, how I can write? I can take a variable of string type. Variable name will be person. Now again, what is a string type variable? As of now, you can think of it as anything we write inside this double inverted comma is considered to be of string type. Again, I will have a dedicated video on string data type, but as of now, anything we write inside this double inverted comma is of string type. So if we look at our ternary expression, so we have taken the variable. Now after this variable, we have to write a condition. So our condition is age greater than 18. So I will write age greater than 18 question mark. So first operand is done. The second operand is if condition true. Now if this condition is evaluated as true, what I want? If age is greater than 18, I want to print person is an adult. So this is our second operand if the condition is evaluated as true. Now I want to write the third operand. So I have to use this colon and I have to write if this condition is evaluated as false, I want to print person is minor. So we are done with our code. The advantage of using ternary operator is this almost 6 lines of code, we can just write it in one line. So this is more concise way of writing code. So you can see this code took 6 lines almost. One, two, three, four, five, around five lines of code we have written in just one line. So if I execute now, I will first comment this. Before executing, I will have to print this variable person to see the value. So obviously our age variable is having value 15. So it will go to this condition. First, this condition will be evaluated. Is age greater than 18? No. Age is 15, which is less than 18. So this will come out to be false. So in case of false, this value will be assigned to this variable person. So the output should be person is minor. So if I run this code, I will get output as person is minor. Now if I make this age to be 25, now here age is now 25. If it will check age greater than 18, yeah, 25 is greater than 18. So this condition is evaluated as true. In case of true, it will go to the second operand. The value of second operand is the person is an adult. So this value will be assigned to this variable. So now I will get output as person is an adult. So this is how ternary operator works. I hope it is clear now how to use ternary operator. That was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.